Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox CableTime multifunctional hub. So as you can see, it has 8 additional items such as HDMI, USB, normal USB, Type-C, audio port, etc. And we are going to see how you can use it for holding your tablet, and we will check if we can connect a TV through this device. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So you'll get some thank you cards, instruction manual, hub itself, and this cable which supports fast data transfer and up to 4K video transfer as well. So the hub itself is aluminum alloy. As you can see, it's very good quality and it's very nice design, so you can easily carry it along with you in this travel pouch. And at the same time, it is very stable, which we will check even with the larger devices. So it supports both Android and iOS tablets, as well as you can put just a normal phone on it. So let's see how it works in practical way. Setting up the device, it's very simple. So we will just plug in the Type-C power, which you can use from your normal charger, your normal phone, and then you can plug in the HDMI as well, and all these additional items, whatever you want to use, like headphones or some USB or even the memory card. So, and then from the other side we'll plug in the original Type-C, which you will plug into your phone or iPad or tablet, and then you can transmission also the picture through it. So here you can see I put some headphones to charge. At the same time I'm charging my phone and transmitting the image on the TV. So you can see here that I'm transmitting 4K video without any problem on the TV. It looks really great, but the sound was not coming from the television, it was coming from the phone. Here you can see how I'm using it as an external device to control my TV, so I can choose any video I like to watch on YouTube very simply, and the phone controls the TV like a mouse, like external mouse. You can choose anything you want to watch or any app you want to use. So in this video you can see I play some YouTube video, and again the quality of the video, it's really decent, which is amazing that you can put any type of video you want directly through your phone. However, where I was struggling is with iPhone and the iPad devices. So through the lighting cable I was not able to get even the video. So for that you will need newer iPhone 15 or newer iPads which supports Type-C. Then I'm sure they will work as well. Here you can see how I tried it with some external headphones. So I plug in the audio port and it really worked. Like the audio was coming as well as the picture on the TV. So to conclude, I really like the device. It's really high quality, it's practical, you can put it anywhere once it's folded, and it has all these additional ports that you can charge your phone, headphones at the same time. From that perspective, it's a really amazing device. So that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.